Hey guys, I was looking for the quick way on how you can play the UFC Undisputed free on your PC, and this is something I found. So if you have a PC, you can simply download an emulator. So you can download the Xenia emulator. This is like the Xenia for the Xbox emulator. Then what you need to do is that download the UFC Undisputed ISO or Wim Slayer. So then you're gonna do this. Then you can actually find the games there, and then runs perfectly 60 FPS, and you're just gonna download it. I just want to make this like a really quick video for you. I know it's like step-by-step guide, but it's like a quick way to direct you. So first get Xenia, and then get from the Wim Slayer ICO. And here you're gonna have just the games and things like that. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.